Hey kids, hey Benaya, hey Ella, hey Vita, what's up? Look, some more free presents. Let's open them up. Okay, let's open the red one. What's inside the red one? Look! A pitchfork! Look what a beautiful pitchfork! Of course, sit here. Wow, that's a pitchfork. Open it up, this one. Open the blue one. Let's open the blue one. This is Benaya that joined me. And Benaya, you ready? Here. Ach. Look at this. Now, open it. Open it. Now you can. What's inside? Look. What's that? Put it here. Put it here. Yeah, that's a garbage truck. Look. That's a container. That's a huge garbage truck. Great. Now open the green one. Open the green one. Put it here. Want to see it here? Yeah. Good. I'll help you. Oh, what's inside? What's inside? What's that? Hey kid. That's a stone breaker. Look at 2 parts. Stone breaker. You see? Great. Thanks, Benaya. Told you thanks. Thank you. Let's say goodbye. The greatest pitchfork ever. Beautiful tool.